To find the acupressure point that produces vitamin D, have the palm of your left hand facing you. Then with the thumb go a little bit to the right and a little bit down below the line that is at the top of your middle finger where the mark is. You must still be touching the line, but you must be a little below it and a little to the right. Now to boost up the vitamin D, put some pressure on the area and start rotating it clockwise with your thumb like this. It must be done clockwise if what you're looking for is to boost the vitamin. The only time you will be doing it counterclockwise is when you are looking to reduce an effect, like for example, when you try to reduce anxiety or stress, but I will get more into that on another video. Do this technique for 1 minute 2 times per day. This technique has helped me get my vitamin D, and I hope that it helps you as well. Let me know in the comments if this technique has helped you. Thanks for watching my video, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel. I hope to see you soon.